I'm going to go over to BrandBaser real quick and show you some updates here in case you haven't been on some of our live streams. You remember that you could always create your brand document, your brand base document, which is the 20 questions about your company. And this is why we're the only people that get this, guys. This is why, Replit, Lovable, they don't understand how to write copy for you because they're just going to ask you a question. Tell us about your industry. What niche are you in? Like our copy is like the best in the world because we created BrandBaser. But if you want to do a brand kit, what that is, that's a little bit different. That says this is the brand document, but what is your typography and your brand colors, right? So the way this works is when you click create a new brand kit, you give it a name, and then you attach the knowledge document that we're going to use with it. And then you choose from one of these presets here. So if you wanted to use this, you could see what that would look like, light mode or dark mode. If you want to be like, let's say in health and wellness, but like this is not quite your green, see this modify? You just click modify, you go to the modify tab and you can change it. And you choose the exact fonts that you want. You can even make it so simple to say, I already got it in a URL. Can I just give you my URL? Yes. Quicker than you can count down from 5 very slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Snap my fingers. And there you go. It pulled the colors out of your website for you. And you can go in, tweak them if you want, et cetera, et cetera. And you could even get it from an image. Remember before I showed you, I took the image of this. I went down to the bottom. And I took this image, and that's how we got Affiliate Pages colors to look like that. And then once you're done, you click Save, and you have a brand kit. And once you have a brand kit, you can export the assets. So you can download the style guide and your brand-based guide, or everything combined. Let me show you something cool with this. I'm going to download this style guide right here, and I'm going to go back to PageBuilder, and let's change the theme. If you remember, you can have all of these preset themes here. I clicked on the wrong one. You have all of these preset themes. What if you want to import from BrandBaser? Well, no problem. You simply take this file that we just created right here, and I click Upload, and I click Import. I'm going to call this Scale Plus. And I click Import. And just like that, look at that, guys. In my themes, I got my Scale Plus themes that I can use for my website. You see how beautiful our products are meant to work together. So that is BrandBaser.